Gardens by the Bay, a world-famous nature park showcasing futuristic gardens and cutting-edge horticulture. Walk through the cloud forest, a misty indoor mountain with the world's tallest indoor waterfall, and explore the Flower Dome, home to exotic plants from around the world. The Supertree Grove, with its towering vertical gardens, comes alive with a dazzling light and music show every evening.
Marina Bay Sands, one of Singapore's most iconic landmarks. This luxury hotel is famous for its Sky Park observation deck, offering breathtaking panoramic views of the city. The infinity pool, exclusive for hotel guests, is the world's highest rooftop pool. Below, you'll find a grand casino, luxury shopping mall, fine dining restaurants, and the Spectra light and water show at night.
Universal Studios, a world-class theme park located on Sentosa Island, featuring 7 themed zones inspired by Hollywood movies. Thrill seekers can ride the Battlestar Galactica roller coaster, while families can enjoy Shrek's Far, Far Away Castle, Jurassic Park Rapids Adventure, and Transformers 3D Battle. Live shows and parades add to the entertainment.
Sentosa Island, a fun-filled island resort packed with attractions, beaches, adventure parks, and entertainment hubs. Relax on Siloso Beach. Experience underwater wonders at SEA Aquarium. Ride the Sky Cable Car. The Wings of Time show ends the day with fireworks and laser projections.
Singapore Zoo. Known as one of the world's best open-concept zoos, it offers up-close encounters with over 2,500 animals in naturalistic habitats. The Rainforest Kids World is great for kids, while the River Safari showcases animals like giant pandas. At night, the Night Safari lets visitors explore a jungle setting, where nocturnal animals roam freely in open enclosures.
Chinatown, a bustling cultural district reflecting Singapore's rich Chinese heritage. It features the stunning Buddha Tooth Relic Temple, colourful shophouses and street markets selling souvenirs, antiques, and delicious Chinese street food like satay and Hainanese chicken rice. At night, the streets light up with festive red lanterns, creating a magical atmosphere.
Little India, a vibrant and colourful neighbourhood that brings the spirit of India to Singapore. Experience traditional Hindu temples, spice-scented markets, and authentic Indian restaurants serving dosa, biryani, and sweets. Visit Mustafa Centre, a 24-hour shopping complex where you can buy everything from electronics to perfumes at great prices.
Clarke Quay, a lively riverside entertainment district, perfect for nightlife lovers. The colourful waterfront area is lined with bars, restaurants and nightclubs offering live music and dance floors. Take a Singapore river cruise for scenic views of Marina Bay. The Merlion and historical bridges, especially stunning when illuminated at night.
Orchard Road is Singapore's ultimate shopping paradise, lined with high-end malls, department stores and street markets. Explore Ion Orchard, Tokoshimaya and Paragon Mall for luxury brands, or visit Bugis Street for affordable fashion finds. The street is especially vibrant during Christmas, with extravagant light displays and decorations.
Merlion Park is a must-visit for first-time travellers. Merlion Park is home to Singapore's famous half-lion, half-fish statue, which symbolises the city's maritime history. It's a great spot for photography, with stunning views of Marina Bay Sands, the Singapore Flyer, and Esplanade Theatre in the background. Best visited at sunset or night for a spectacular cityscape.